Hello everyone, welcome back to DJSpec channel. Today we are going to see how to use whiteboard in our presentation. There is an app provided by Google known as Jamboard app. For that, initially we have to sign in our Gmail account. I have already signed in my Gmail account. After then, click on to the Google apps icon, select Jamboard here. Click this. Google Jamboard opens in the next tab. These are all my recent jams that I have already created. For creating a new one, click this new jam plus icon. So this is an untitled jam. Here you can rename the file sample jam1. Any name you can give. Click OK here. So this is similar to a whiteboard. We have different background options to change the background. If you have any scribblings on your frame, you can clear it. So these are all the tools available to use with this whiteboard. So click on to this pen icon. We have different pens, even brush, marker, highlighter is available of different colors. You can use like this. So if you have any scribblings, as I already said, you can clear this with the clear frame. And this is an eraser, you can erase it. So when you pronounce a new word, sometimes it is difficult to understand. Instantly, you can write the text over here. And this is a pointer, and later this is a sticky note. So if you have any important message to be said, you can use this sticky note. Click save, and this is how it is saved. And this is an icon to add image. So if you have any handouts, you can upload it from your device, or you could get it from the Google image search. This would be helpful when you go for presenting some theorems, calculations, or any diagrammatic representation. I have recently used my handouts. I'll show you that. And this is a laser. You can use this for your explanation when you present it with your handout. So I'll show my recent file. So this is my handout. Basic assembler function. You can zoom it with this zoom icon. So adjust it here. So you can use this laser for explaining. Basic assembler function. Assembler. What do you mean by an assembler? Converts assembly level language into a machine language. So this is how we use laser when we present with these handouts. After then you can have more actions. So many options available here. Rename. You can rename a file. Download as PDF. The entire frame can be downloaded as a PDF format, or even you can save it as an image format. And you can make a copy of this. And if you make a copy of this, that would be saved in your My Drive folder, or you can share it with the same people. If you does not need this file, you can even remove it from this Jam applications. So this is how we use Jamboard in our presentation. I hope this video would be helpful for you. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.